Dear students, very good afternoon to everybody. Let us in continuation of our parts. Retrosynthesis. If we have to provide such types of the target molecule, what is the plan of synthesis? Before that we know what is the analysis, and again before that which types of the functional group is present in given compound. So the first we want to the analysis. What is the analysis? What is the analysis plan of given types of the target molecule? These target molecules contain the tertiary amine, and as we know that one of the name reaction, that is Mannich reaction. The Mannich reaction, it is prepared, these types of the product of the Mannich reaction. But in another way we can also find out the plan of the synthesis. If we are having this tertiary amine, first step we can take this FGI functional group interconversion. So that is, we want to here C double bond O nitrogen, and this is the amide. This amide means what? Amide is converted into amine by using, this is the reducing reagent. Then what happen? We are having the CC disconnection. CC disconnection. After CC disconnection, there is formation of what? This C double bond OOH acid, and again this acid with equivalent reagent, that is what? Amine. The types of amine is called as what? Secondary amine. So these are the synthetic equivalent. If we are, this acid is converted into what? This C double bond OCl acid chloride. And this is again we are having this acid chloride, again which are this population, these types of the, again the disconnection, or we can say this FGI functional group interconversion. So there is what we can take this bromine atoms. So what is the bromine, the synthesis? What is the plan of the synthesis? Very important. If we are in the starting reactant molecule is what? Starting reactant molecule is what? Bromocyclohexane. It is reacted with the magnesium metal in presence of diether as organic solvent. Then what happen? This cyclohexane is as it is, which convert in this magnesium bromide. This act as a Grignard reagent. This is the bromocyclohexane. As you can say, bromocyclohexane, which are this the Grignard reagent. It is reacted with the carbon dioxide. If it is react with the carbon dioxide, again diether as organic solvent, after hydrolysis in acidic condition, then formation of the acid. Again this acid is treated with SOCl2 thionyl chloride in presence of DCM as organic solvent. Then what happens? This acid is converted into the acid chloride. So as you can say, this is the acid halide, COCl. So what happens? Again the plan of the synthesis in the further reaction is takes place. What happens? This amide, this again we can take amine, this ammonia, addition of the ammonia, then formation of what? Amide. So this is the formation of the C double bond ONH2 is here. So that amine, as you can say, this is takes place is not with amines, but also we can take this NH and dimethylamine. This acid halide is reacted with the dimethylamine, then formation of what? These types of the amide, that is what? Again tertiary amide. In the last step order, we can get, this is the target molecules. What happens? The target molecules after reduction. So the reduction by using what? Lithium aluminum hydride. Very important. This amide is converted into what? A target molecule. This target molecule is obtained. So this is the plan of the synthesis. फर्स्ट क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे? अमाइन था, टर्शियरी अमाइन का एफजीआई किया, अमाइड बनाया, अमाइड का सीसी डिस्कनेक्शन, सॉरी यहाँ पे हम सीएन डिस्कनेक्शन कहते हैं। CN disconnection किया, then after CN disconnection we want to the formation of the acid, CN disconnection. So what happened in continuation the parts, this are the acid, again what disconnection is takes place, as we can say FGI. Here two species is obtained, acid and the secondary amine, acid and secondary amine. So this acid halide FGI, this convert into in the cyclohexyl bromide. This types of this is called as the bromocyclohexane. As a starting reactant in the part of the synthesis, we will take this is the bromocyclohexane is react with the magnesium metal in presence of triether as organic solvent, formation of the Grignard reagent, that is cyclohexyl magnesium bromide. This carbon act as a nucleophilic in nature, and this magnesium act as a electrophilic in nature. If it is react with the carbon dioxide, this is nucleophilic addition reaction on the carbon hetero multiple bond, then formation of the acid, this is called as what a cyclohexyl acid, this is called as carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, further it is treated with the thionyl chloride in presence of DCM dichloromethane as an organic solvent. So what happened? There is formation of the cyclohexyl acid halide, this acid chloride, it is reacted with the secondary amine, this is what a NN dimethylamine. It is reacted with the NN dimethylamine, then formation of the amide, and this amide is treated with the lithium aluminum hydride and formation of the target molecule. So this is a synthesis, as we can say analysis followed by the synthesis is called as the retrosynthesis of given target molecule.